Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to collaborate with Evernote step by step. Collaboration allows you to work together on the same note with other people in real time. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign in to your account. Now open an existing note or create a new one. Add some text so the note has content. Next, click the share button at the top of the note. A sharing window will open. Now enter the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. After that, choose the permission. Select Can Edit if you want the other person to make changes to the note. If you only want them to read the note, choose Can View instead. Now click the Send Invite or Share button. Evernote will send an invitation to the person you selected. You can also click Copy Link to create a shareable link. Send this link through email or any messaging app so others can access the note. Once they have access, everyone with edit permission can add text, update information, and keep the note organized together. This makes collaboration easy for projects, meeting notes, study materials, and teamwork. If you no longer want to collaborate, open the Share window again. From there, you can change permissions or stop sharing the note at any time. That's how you can collaborate with Evernote quickly and easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more Evernote tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.